Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Today we are going to be creating business cards. I have created a new logo, a new website, a new name, a new everything. And so this year my goal is to be a part of a few wedding expos. And I actually had an opportunity to be a vendor in a wedding expo, but fortunately, date of that bridal expo is on my due date. So yeah, today we are going to be creating this business card on Canva. Now, if you guys don't know what Canva is an amazing tool, I use it for my job, I use it for YouTube, I use it for Instagram, I use it for my website. It's an amazing website platform where you can create stories, you can create templates, you create forms, you can use their AI to create contracts, overlays. You can create so many things on Canva. This video is not sponsored by Canva because Canva has no idea who I am, but maybe, just maybe, this video will change that. So guys, let's get into it. Oh, so good. So let's get into it. Guys, we are going to jump into our Canva. We are on canva.com. This is Canva. I've used this Canva probably for 5-6 years, I want to say, and I've done so much on Canva. I actually pay for the pro feature. You don't have to. I like it because it gives you a little bit more options. You can remove the background easily. You can just do so many things, and that's why I love Canva. And I really wish this video was sponsored, but you know, Canva has no idea who I am, but that's okay. Maybe we'll change their minds later on. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna go to create design, and we are going to start with business card. We're just gonna type in business card, and really in Canva you can literally type in anything that you want to do, like flyer, poster, Instagram reel, YouTube short, Instagram story template for hair. It'll give you so many options. It's ridiculous. So let's do this. Let's see. It says business card landscape, business card rounded. I think I want to do the rounded. Let's do rounded. Now, do we want to do landscape or do we want to do portrait? The last business cards I had, I did in landscape, and I kind of like that. So I'm going to do landscape again. No, the last time I did business cards, I did portrait. So I think that's what I'm going to go with. Love it. And it's rounded corners. And what I love about Canva as well is you can actually order it on here as well and get them shipped right to you. So now what I'm going to do is find my logo. And we're going to add it up there. So pretty, so simple. I do think I want a white card this time. Last time I went with pink, but I think white is chic. Black and white is chic. And I want to create little goodie bags for my clients at bridal expo shows and for my day of brides and bridesmaids. So we're gonna do that. That is the first page. And I think I just want to keep it really simple this time. I do hair and makeup. It's your time to shine. Love it. What did I have on my old cards? Let's see. Yeah, I actually had a QR code with my website on there. Do we want to do that? Let's do that. Let's open up our website. I do hair and makeup, and our website, and let's copy our URL. And then we're gonna go to elements. We're gonna go to QR code generator. Open. Okay, and now we're just going to paste the code in, generate code, and I want to put her maybe down here. Yeah, let's do that. I'm going to put my name and information. Let's see. Fogon. I am going to put a pretend phone number for now. Okay, and then I will be fixing the font of this. When I am feeling a little lack of oomph in these things, I just look at the templates that they offer. Should I put a photo of me? Maybe? Let's try it. Do we put photos on business cards? I don't know. Should we? We're gonna add my email. I kind of want to do a color on the background, honestly, guys. It just looks a little bare. So let's work with it. Let's see. Okay, this light pink. I think I want to do this super light pink. Maybe that one. Let's get all this centered. There we go. Okay. So, makeup artist. Phone number, I want that a little bit small. Alrighty guys, so this is what our cards look like. And then we are going to go to print with Canva. And this is what the cards are gonna look like. And I love it. Very simple, very to the point, very me. And now we are going to pick which one we want. So I do want premium paper, a little bit thicker. The last time I did this, I did matte. But do I want a shiny? Let's do shiny this time. Why not, right? We can always order a different kind. All right. Enjoy 20% off. Okay. Print love 20. To 8. Then I need this one bigger. And now I'm just putting in my information. We're gonna use that code today. Yes, and we got it for $24.80. We love to see that. Processing. Ignore that. So yeah, guys, that took us about 25 minutes to create our new 2025 business card. I'm super excited. I have my fingers crossed because I really, really, really want to be a part of Bridals Expos this year. It's just pretty much me, a team of one. Sometimes I have assistants, but yeah, as of right now, a team of one. So we are still growing. This year we have about 7 weddings. I'm really excited. It is more than I had pre-planned last year. Last year I had 8, but I was just grabbing those like as they came in. This year I've had 7 that were pre-booked from last year. So guys, thank you all for tuning into my channel, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Bye guys.